Good afternoon to all of you. 14th of November is celebrated as the Children's Day. This year, like the previous year, we are celebrating the week after the 14th November as the week to celebrate the children of India through the Child Line, which is activated and available throughout the country. In this week, that is from 15th to 21st, in the district administration along with the Child Line, we will be carrying out a number of activities pertaining to the children and also to make the people aware of the various benefits of taking care of the children and of the various ills which affect our society pertaining to children. Children are the future of our society. Therefore, it is very important to take care of all their basic needs, be it education, health, safety. Various legal measures and administrative measures have been put in place over the past few years to support our children and to ensure that our children get their basic needs. For example, basic education, basic health, preventing them from hunger, malnutrition, stunting, taking care of their safety, preventing them from child labor, preventing them from child marriage, preventing them from any type of sexual abuse. To prevent all these things, various legal measures have been put in place. Child Marriage Act, we have a POCSO Act in place, we have a Anti-Child Labor Act in place. So a lot of activities keep on happening. During the course of next 4-5 days, we will be reviewing all these measures which have been put in place